it's a very important level at which human interconnections are woven together at a very tight level, in a tight way. And I don't want scholars to simply be studying the dichotomy between the global and the local. There is a level of analysis that's important, that intermediates between the level of the global or the nation on one hand and the entire globe on the other. And Tagore, I think, is very instructive, because he actually had conversations with scholars and intellectuals, writers and artists in all corners of the globe. He had interlocutors in North America, in South America, in Europe, in East Asia. But in his work, in his letters during his travels, what comes through very strongly is his belief in the Indian Ocean world being a unified cultural ecumene. He argued this when he went to Southeast Asia in 1927. He said much the same when he went to Iran and Iraq in 1932 and talked about his kinship with the brotherhood of Sufi poets. So I think it's very important, as we get swept away by the tide of globalization, to realize, yes, the global context is important, but there are also other levels, what I call interregional arenas, where human relationships are so closely intertwined that they should be studied and they should be taken seriously as units of analysis.